Hello and welcome to another WordPress tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the comment section display when you try to add a new post on your WordPress website, editing with Elementor. So when you try to add a new post, from the dashboard, you go to new post. And whenever you try to add a new post, you try to edit with Elementor. Everybody uses Elementor, right? And when they edit with Elementor, they discover that the comment section doesn't show up. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the comment section show up when you try to add a new post on your WordPress website, editing with Elementor. Every WordPress theme allows you to add a new post to your WordPress website and provides a comment section for every post you try to create. But when editing with Elementor free version, there seems to be a problem with the comment section not displaying, and I'm going to show you how to fix that in this video. Let's add this our post title. These are featured. Let's add a featured image to this. So let's use this lady, add a featured image. So if we save this and publish it without editing with Elementor, you will notice that the comment section always shows up. So we'll edit that and publish it, and we'll try to view the post after. So let's view post on a new tab. Without editing with Elementor, this is what a new post is going to look like. So this is our featured image, and you can see the comment section showing where you can add comments. Right? You can post it, but let's try to edit this same page with Elementor. So let's go back and edit with Elementor and see what happens. The comment section disappears and the Elementor takes over the whole post editing. So the Elementor is loading now, and we'll see that our feature image will be gone, our comment section and the post will be gone, everything gone. So when you try to edit with Elementor free version, this is what you see. The featured image and every other thing is gone. There is no comment section. And even when you try to add comment section with the Elementor free version, you see that you can't do that. The post comments are only for Elementor Pro users. So how do we fix this? How do we get the comment section to display? You come to your settings on the bottom left corner, you click on settings, and you change the page layout. Look at this page layout. You change it to the theme. Take it back to the theme. Page layout, and you see what happens. Our featured image is back, and the comment section is back. So this is the comment I added earlier. You can add comments. Add new comments, and whoever views the post or your website can add their own comments also. So, and you can also now use Elementor to do this. Is our post title. You can also now use your Elementor to do the rest of the editing you want to do. You can add structure to your page. You can put a heading there. You can put a heading, then you can put text editor where you can add text to the post, and other things. You can also add images. You can put an image here, so you can do every other thing with Elementor that you usually do. The comment section will show when you change the page layout from default to theme page layout. And something else can override this. For example, when you try to add your templates, this is a template I usually use for my blog post. So when you try to add a template to that blog post, if you have a template you downloaded from somewhere, a template you created yourself, this will pop up. Do you want to also import the document settings for the templates? Attention, importing may override previous settings. So if we say yes, it's going to override the settings. We change the page layout to theme, it's going to change all that back to default, and we won't get to see our comment section again. So let's see how this will happen. So this is the templates I usually use for my own blog post. I have affiliate links there and everything. So when you put it and select the yes option, as you can see, it has taken off our featured image, our post title. The theme has override all the settings. There is no more comment section at the bottom. The same way you fix this is to go back to theme, go back to page layout and change it to theme page layout. So whenever you want to add a template like that and don't want it to override, instead of selecting yes to the question that pops up, you select no, and you'll be all fine. Your featured image will be there, your post title will be there, and the comment section will also be there. So let's try and add a template again and answer no to that question. You see that it won't hurt anything. So no, we don't want to import document setting, and we don't want to override the previous settings. So I've clicked no now. It's going to import that template again. This is it again, but our comment section will still be down here. As we can see, our featured image is there and our post title is there. So you can use your Elementor and do every other thing you do to add to your blog posts. The comment section is now showing and everything is working intact. If this was helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of videos. So you come here and update. When you're done, you click updates and your post is ready to go. So that's how you solve this simple problem. See you in the next video. Cheers.